Take command of the road in the 2013 GMC Terrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, leather upholstery, a trip computer, heated seats, power moonroof, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing GMC's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.